Hi guys, so we have a new visitor to the office. Behold, the yellowness. This is a Crown Vic New York taxi. It started life as a sheriff's car over in the States, we don't know where. And this is being made up to be an undercover unmarked police taxi, which is apparently a thing. I didn't realise that. So this will be getting a Whelan Sancom Core based controller in there, and then lots and lots of covert lights in various places. It only just fits in the workspace, so it is a bit of a beast, and it's certainly bigger than the Corolla. But yeah, a vast amount of yellow. We'll give you sort of videos and snapshots of this as the build goes, and hopefully you can follow along. I do really want to document this one, so I know I've said before that I will. We've got the owner's permission, so we'll get a town on this one. So I need to go and order the bits for this and arrange for the bits that have been ordered to get here. It's the 19th of December, so I don't know how far we're going to get with this before everything stops for Christmas, but it's different, and I thought I'd bring you along for the ride.